How to upload your videos on YouTube the right way in this 2026. So I've noticed that a lot of you do not know how to upload videos, whether you are using your phone, your laptop or iPad, anyone that you are using. Let me show you how you can upload your videos to get more views and to be in the higher chances of getting people to watch your videos even when you are not online. Okay, you can share your videos, but you don't need to do so to get views on YouTube, because
how many people are you going to share to?
Do you have up to 1,000 contacts? The best way to get views is to do these things that I'm about to show you right now before uploading your video, alright? You don't just click on the plus sign and just send your video just like that without anything at all. So let me show you how you can upload your videos. Of course, you can upload with your phone, okay? Yes, you can upload with your laptop, and also you can upload directly from the YouTube app, from YouTube Studio. Everything is fine. Even with your laptop, they are all the same right now. Everything is all the same. Whether you are uploading from anywhere, they are all the same. So let me show you how you can upload your videos. And as we progress in this video, I will tell you a little trick that I used when I first started YouTube to get lots of views, and I will share with you how I did it and what I did. I'll be telling you the honest truth so you know exactly what you are doing. Let me show you how to upload videos first. Okay, to upload your videos the right way on YouTube, first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube app right here. Once you go here, okay, this is me. You click on this plus sign here. Once you click on this plus sign, it will show you to bring in any video that you want to upload. Listen, click on the video that you want to upload, because this is your gallery right here, okay? Let me click on this one and click on next. Once you import your video, you click on next, all right? So right here, it's opened up everything that you need to add. Some of you will just leave it at public, just the way it is right now. Once it opens up this, first put it to unlisted. When you put it to unlisted and when people click on it, they will see ads, because some of you do not know the difference between private and unlisted. When you put your video here in this unlisted, just the way I did right now, people will not see it. But if you add it to a playlist and people click on that playlist, they can see it. But without sharing the link to other people on YouTube or any place, they will not see it unless you send the link to them. And when you send the link to them, they will see ads. Okay, ads will be playing on your videos if you are monetized. But if you put it to private, ads will not be playing. Okay, so this is private right here. Only people you choose can view it, but ads will not be playing on it. And most times when you are uploading from desktop, YouTube will put it to unlisted even before you choose. Okay, so sometimes I choose private if I don't want anybody to see it, all right? And the other times I choose unlisted if I'm going to upload it maybe like tomorrow, so people can view it if they go to the playlist, but nobody will actually, few people. Sometimes it will be like 10 people, 5 people, right? So it's almost like you didn't post it yet, okay? So anyone that you chose is fine, but make sure to put it either in unlisted or on private, or make sure to put it either on unlisted or private before you start editing anything on the video, all right? So once you do it, what I like to do is that I will click on upload. I'll click on upload once I put it. Now, someone asks me, how do I upload my videos? How do I set this thing right here? What audience do I choose? Now, let me say it loud and clear. Always choose no, it is not meant for kids. My videos are not made for kids. We are not producing kids video, all right? You click on upload, then it will start uploading. What I always like to upload is that sometimes it takes time. Maybe you want to upload in the evening so that it will upload fully. I don't want it to be a case of after doing everything, getting the tags and everything, now before you upload, the time is already off. So once you are uploading, you can now click on these 3 dots right here, click on edit. While it's uploading, you will be editing your videos. You get it now, right? Instead of waiting for you to do everything that I'm about to show you right now before you click on upload, you can put it to private or unlisted. Then you'll be able to, set every other thing just like the way I will show you right now. So first thing you need to do is to add your title. This title right here, you need to change it and add your own. Another tip that I will tell you, when you are naming your video after editing and you want to export it, Name it the title of the video. If it's how to upload videos the right way, name it how to upload videos the right way. Then when you come here, instead of this match that you just saw, it will be how to upload videos the right way. I heard that it helps, and I don't want to play chance. I don't want to give any chances at all. It won't take you anything to just name it that, instead of just leaving it as any default thing that your editing app will give it. Okay, good. So right now I'll put how to upload videos the right way, how to upload videos the right way. So this is my title, very important. Okay, now I will go to audience. I will still click on audience. I have set it no, it's not meant for kids, but sometimes YouTube will put it to all. You don't even know when you set it, so it's best to go now and check what yours is set to. Okay, don't leave it as yes, restrict my video to viewers over 18. No, this is the correct format. No, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18, and no, it is not meant for kids. Okay, this is the perfect setting for your YouTube audience, all right? So right now, if you have playlist, you can go ahead and create one. Just name it anything. And this is another important thing: description. Of course, you can use any chat box, ChatGPT, or I have made a lot of videos on that. So you can go to my playlist here on my channel, how to start YouTube channel. I made a different playlist, so get to it. And then this one you are seeing right here, right? Then you learn exactly how to get your description. Okay, just go to chat box, tell it, explain the type of video that you are making, then tell it to give you the perfect description. Now another thing that people do not consider, they'll just copy everything that ChatGPT or Claude gave them. No, the essence of adding this description is not just to add everything that you know. Some of you don't even know the essence of this description. Now listen, description helps your video to rank. So if people are asking you, how can I upload videos on YouTube the right way? How can I optimize my video? That is where you add it in the description. All the keywords that people are searching for, how to do this, how to do that, all you just need to do is to make it. In this video, you learn how to you add that thing people are asking for. And also, I will show you how to you add another thing. This is how you keep adding them, so that whoever searches for anything relating to that your video, they can be able to see it. You don't just copy. I will show you video uploading. This is it. You just add anything that comes to your mind, or just copy anything that ChatGPT gave you and paste.
No.
This is how you do it, so that when people search, they will see your video. Okay, whatever they are searching with, they will see it, because somebody can be searching for how to upload videos, another person will be searching for best way to upload videos. That is where you add everything, so that whatever they are searching with, they can be able to see your videos. That is the essence of description. It's not for fancy or to copy. Some people, their description will start from here to Jerusalem. What are you adding? So now you know the essence of description. Let's continue. Okay, so once you're done with the description, the next thing is your tags. This is the tags right here. All you need to do, if it's how to upload videos, you send. You keep adding. As like I said, you can also use chat box, but make sure that whatever it is giving you is the best thing that people are searching for, so that it will help your video. When people are searching, they will see your videos. That is why you add these things. It is not just to occupy space or waste time. No. So with this right here, once you add everything, it is now remaining the thumbnail. And to add your video thumbnail, click on this pencil icon. Then you click on this box right here, this custom thumbnail. And right now, if you have not uploaded a video before, they will ask you to verify that this is you. You just click on verify, put your number. They will send you digits, I think 6 digits number, and you verify and upload your video. It is very easy, so do not be scared. Okay, I have uploaded video before in this channel. That is why they didn't ask me to verify. Okay, so click on this custom thumbnail right here, and you choose, let me say I'm choosing this, and you choose your thumbnail. Okay, I don't know if you like to learn how to design thumbnail, and you can comment thumbnail. If I get a lot of comments, I will do a video on how to design a perfect thumbnail for your video. All right, so once you click on thumbnail, you click on done, and your video is set. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube show it to more creators like you who will find this video helpful. Thank you. Now Listen, some of you do not even know the essence of thumbnail. You are not adding thumbnail to look so beautiful, to show people that you are so beautiful. No, you are adding thumbnail to make people to click on your video. Because if you just upload your video like that, maybe where you are cooking or where you are talking, just like I'm talking right now, it may even show up where I'm opening my mouth or where I'm doing like this. So the essence of adding thumbnail is for you to give people the exact reason why they should click on your video, for you to make people to click. You're not doing it to show people your face or you, to make people to know you. No, you're doing it to make people to click. Your video is great, but your thumbnail will make people to click. If your thumbnail is not sending that signal, nobody will click on your video. You can have the perfect video. If your thumbnail is not good enough, people will not click. So whenever you are crafting your thumbnail, make sure to do it very well. Whether you are doing a faceless channel using AI or doing it yourself, make sure to do a very good and clickable thumbnail. People first look at the outside before they come inside. Know this today. People first look at the outside before they come inside. If your thumbnail is not good, nobody will click. Your thumbnail is what grabs attention, and also your title. Okay, once you have a good thumbnail, make sure to have a perfect title. And if you say in your thumbnail, get images for free, then your title should be, let me show you how to get realistic. When people see the thumbnail, they'll be like, they'll look at the title to know exactly what this video is for. Then they will click. The two T's play a perfect role and they go hand in hand: thumbnail, title. So make sure you craft and take your time to do these things before you upload. Creating video is okay, but make sure that you put more effort in your thumbnail and your title, so that when you are sending a good message, people will also receive it very well. So you don't hurt yourself creating a good video, taking the whole time to create a good video, and then your thumbnail will sell you off. Don't do that. The same time you are putting in editing and creating the video, put more in crafting your thumbnail. And also know that you can change thumbnail at any point in time. Yes, if you post today, you give it time, maybe like 2-3 days or 4 days. If you think that you can do better, go ahead and change it. Sometimes I would prefer you give it up to 1 week, okay? Because sometimes YouTube are still distributing it to people, and if you just change it like that, YouTube will be confused. The algorithm will be confused because they're already showing it to people, and maybe they are getting interested. They want to distribute it, and you now change it. They will start showing it to new people. All right. So make sure that you are doing it the right way. For the description and for the tags, make sure you are adding exactly what your video is all about. Read whatever ChatGPT or any chat box gave you. Make sure that it is telling people what your video is talking about. Because if your video is how to upload videos and you didn't read it, maybe it wrote how to upload videos on TikTok instead of YouTube. That means it is sending the wrong signal. It will be showing it to people that want that of TikTok instead of YouTube. And they won't be clicking. And once they are not clicking, YouTube will stop distributing your videos. Okay? So please make sure to optimize properly. So we are done with our optimization. Now, come closer. When you are creating your video, okay, at any point in time, if you are still growing, you want people to engage in your videos, they don't know you yet. If you are still creating a new video, sometimes I add it in my own video, and I will be adding it to this video as well. Okay, always encourage people to like your video. Even if you are doing a faceless video, once you talk from 1 to 2 minutes, that first 2 minutes of your video, encourage people to like the video. Even if you are sharing the perfect advice or the perfect message, people can be learning and forget to subscribe to your channel. People can be so interested in what you are doing that they will even forget to like or comment. Okay, so always try to remind them to like, so that they will like your video, because when they like, it shows the YouTube algorithm that, oh, this person liked this video. They will push it to more people, and also their comments. Okay, but like is always easy, so you just tell them to like. And at the middle of the video, you can also encourage them to comment what they would like you to see next, or depending on what you do, but encourage them to like. Okay, and also subscribe to your channel. Most times you think they will like, they will subscribe, but they will even forget. It has happened to me before. I forgot to like that person's video until the person said, please like this video if you are getting knowledge or if you are learning from this video. I had to say,
Oh, this person deserves a like.
I liked and I commented. I didn't mean she didn't say it. I may just learn and leave without even. And sometimes you start looking for that person the next day. and forgot to, you will be like, oh, I forgot to subscribe to this person's channel, right? So always remind them. Don't assume. Say it. It won't cost you anything to say it. Like this video, it helps YouTube show it to more people. They will like. Okay, trust me, people want to support you, but you have to remind them. Okay, so with these steps right now, you already know how to upload video on YouTube the right way to get more views and more subscribers. All right. And one thing is, I have shared this before in one of my videos. When I started YouTube, I didn't know what was description. Okay, but I uploaded that video. It was a faceless video. All right, and people were actually looking for things like that. People were interested in that. So that was my first video. I will try putting it here. I think it's 20,000 views right now, or I don't know, but I will put it here. I'll put it here. Okay, so this particular video got 5k views, I think, in 2 months. I uploaded it and disappeared. I have said this before. That was what prompted me to start YouTube. I just posted it and disappeared and came back, I think, after 2 months. It was in 5 to 10k views or even more. I don't remember. Okay, the video was moving. I only added title to this video and just the thumbnail, and people were interested. So most times your video will do well with just title and thumbnail, but when they search, most times they may not see it, and sometimes few times. Okay, that is why optimization is good. But if it's what people are searching for and they start clicking on it, immediately you post it, the video will do well. But when you optimize it, when they are searching, they will be seeing it and you'll be getting views even for years. But without optimization, it is just the people that want it, that saw it immediately you posted it, that will see it. That is why sometimes you post videos, it will go viral like you haven't gotten any views before, and the video will get to 1k views and then stop. But when you optimize it, when they search over time, they will keep seeing your videos, they will keep viewing it, and YouTube will keep distributing it over time. All right, so that is why optimization is very important. Now you know how to upload your videos the right way and everything that you need to do when you upload a video before you now put it to public. Okay, so once you are done, you can now put it to public. And sometimes they say that leaving it for like one day or some hours before you upload to YouTube helps, but video that will do well will do well. I haven't really seen the effects, though sometimes I will leave it in unlisted if I have lots of videos I batch created. But the video that will not do well, I don't think it will start booming because you put it to public and YouTube, I don't know. You can still try it before you upload your video. Okay, you make it like yesterday, leave it to today, and then you upload and see if there will be any difference for you. Okay, so with this right now, I'm happy that I have shown you exactly what to do and how to do everything. All right, so right now, start uploading your videos, whether you are using your Android, your iPhone, your laptop, anything. Upload it the right way, just like I just showed you, and your videos will blow up. I am Success, and I wish you success, and I know you love to see me in my next video. So like this video, subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a helpful video, you will be among the first persons to see it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.